Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you the cutest little travel organizers. These REVAXUP travel organizers are so cute. These are the small ones. I love them. It's a pink and a white one. So I love to carry my Q-tips and cotton pads as well as my hair ties in them. They're perfect for that. These are the size of probably the palm of your hand. So they're going to carry everything you need, but very compact and small. And I love that clear window because that's really just showing you exactly what is in your box. You don't have to guess, and it's good to just take on the go. I love the way they open and close, and they have a nice little carrying strap. They are so convenient, and the possibilities are endless, from bathroom accessories, breath mints, whatever you need, toothpicks. You can carry it all in these little boxes. So I absolutely love and adore these for travel. They are the perfect organizer for small accessories, especially something like Q-tips and cotton pads and hair ties. I love to know that they are all in one spot and I don't have to worry about them flying around. And I love that these have this nice little carrying string so that if you need to clip them onto something, you have that option. They will carry just about anything from bathroom accessories to toothpicks, dental floss, safety pins, you name it, you can put it in here. And these are the perfect little travel organizers, and that is my point of view.